Hi everyone, I'm LD Lapinski. I'm the author of the Strangeworlds Travel Agency, Adventure in the Floating Mountains for World Book Day. Now, one of my very favourite books when I was growing up was Artemis Fowl by Owen Colfer. I first picked this book up in a library because one of my friends had told me it was really, really good, and they were not wrong. It's one of my all-time most favourite books ever, still today. And this copy is incredibly battered, but I have been lucky enough to get it signed by the author. Now, this book is really special to me because it's the first time I had ever sat down and read a book where the main character is the villain, and yet the author convinces us to still be on his side. All of my favourite stories are about ordinary kids having extraordinary adventures, but Artemis is special because he invites the extraordinary adventure into his life and tries to take advantage of it. I won't give you any spoilers if you want to pick it up, but I will just say, if you like your fairy stories to have a few guns in them, this is the book for you.